So far, we are looking at a graph with y at the vertical axis and x at the horizontal axis. But actually, this vertical axis and horizontal axis can be y squared, y over x, log y, log x, and so on. Let's look at a few of them. A. Find the gradient for this straight line. B. Form an equation for this straight line. C. Express y in terms of x. Note that the vertical axis is now 1 over y, while the horizontal axis is still x. A. Find the gradient for this straight line. Gradient is vertical distance over horizontal distance. Vertical distance is 2, and horizontal distance is 4. So the gradient is 1 over 2. B. Form an equation for this straight line. We are going to use the form of y equal mx plus c. We already got the gradient just now, which is 1 over 2. C is the intercept at the vertical axis, and it is 1.5. So we get y equal 0.5x plus 1.5. But then there is a problem. Now, note that the vertical axis is now 1 over y, and not y. So this is not the correct equation. What should we do about this? Now in the past, we always write y equal mx plus c, because we always use y at the vertical axis and x at the horizontal axis. But the vertical axis is not necessarily always y. In this case, it is 1 over y. So we are going to do a bit of changes to our notation. The old y equal mx plus c is going to become capital Y equal m times capital X plus c. Capital Y refers to the vertical axis, and the little y refers to the variable y. The capital X refers to the horizontal axis, and the little x refers to the variable x. In this case, vertical axis is 1 over y. So we have 1 over y equal 0.5x plus 1.5. C. Express y in terms of x. To get y in terms of x, we can flip both terms on both sides. And we get y equal 1 over 0.5x plus 1.5. A. Find the value of y when x equals 5. B. Find the value of x when y equals 0.4. Just now we already got the equation. We can find the value of y by plugging in the number of 5 into x. But here, we are going to get the value from the graph. When x is 5, we get 4 at the vertical axis. Note that this 4 at the vertical axis is not y. It is 1 over y. So we have 1 over y equal 4. And y is 1 over 4. B. Find the value of x when y equal 0.4. We cannot locate 0.4 on the vertical axis and then find x through the straight line. This is because the vertical axis is now 1 over y, not y. So we need to find the value on the vertical axis when y is 0.4 first. So when y is 0.4, what we need to do is to substitute the value of 0.4 into y in the terms 1 over y. And we get 2.5. And then we locate 2.5 on the vertical axis. And the corresponding x value is 2.